Well, the numbers in that second set, San Sebastian, even if Philippine Army had more attack points at 15, San Sebastian with only 13, still was able to get that second set and equalize things here in this finals game number 2. Well, look at the block points of San Sebastian. 3 block points and only 1 for the Philippine Army. And yung errors. Limiting the errors to only 1. That was really that's a good sign for Coach Roger Igorel.
And of course, our brought to us by Maynila District Ball on that attack from Jeng Bolin. Kinarera ko, pabalik dito. Nanalo ko. Siya umiinom na ng tubig. Ako mamaya maghahanap na rin.
Ganun. Iniisip mo mas athletic ka. Ganun.
Hindi naman. Talo pa rin ako sa volleyball sa kanya.
Sasabihin ko naman sana, one-on-one kayo sa volleyball.
Ay, wag.
Pero sa poker, sure panalo talaga. Sino yun?
Hinahamon ko yung Bong Ravena.
Wag mo lang turuan.
Sa basketball, malamang talo. And check ball the other way now as King Balse scores.
King Balse now to serve for the Philippine Army.
Ball naman tayo.
Gustilo. Combination now for Boli. Boli across. Back set now for Mayet.
You just love that delay on the set by King Salak.
Good idea by Ford, but change it long. The MVP.
And was surprised with the award.
Tayo nagulat.
Oo. Una-una, best scorer talaga naman. And proving to be that. Lauren Ford with another point.
Making up for a very bad game. Game 1.
Yes, and this is what happened in the second set. Lauren Ford came into play.
Right. And if it's Fun Family Pizza, it's got to be Shakey's on her serve alone. And now De Leon. Benito there. In the absence, if De Leon gets the first ball, Salgado was actually there.
Well, actually, it was Lauren Ford, to me, it was Lauren Ford's ball because si Benito getting ready for that attack. Otherwise, kasi kung si Benito kumuha nun, ano pang set ang mabibigay niya kay Ford? Nakadikit na sa net. Nakadikit na si Ford sa net.
Benito. Dakis, umatak pa rin, Ford!
Blocked!
Dakis is so happy with herself there.
Benito denied once again.
Carolino, Salak, combination, Mayet. Salgado's there. And De Leon puts it across. Salak knows what she's doing. Salgado, De Leon, long rally. Benito, Salgado cannot save it.
What a series!
Salgado favoring that left knee once again.
The partner, the scores after 2 sets. The leading scorers are Jeng Boli with 13 points, Ford with 12, Benito with 5, Ruby De Leon with 6 for San Sebastian. On the other side, it's 9 for Dakis, 7 apiece for Mayet and King Balse, Michelle with 6.
The kiss of death! Kumikilang talaga yung headband. Yung headband
saka yung pink hair.
Oo.
Diba?
Yan ang girl na girl. Ito. Boing. Nakakasilaw
Hey! Dalawa tayo, diretso!
7 to 5.
Tuloy niyo lang yan!
Salgado. De Leon.
Better first ball from Salgado, but Gustilo too deep.
8 to 5 right now. Philippine Army ahead here in set number 3. Miyaka Lim, what do you have?
Kung nababahala kayo na miss nyo ang volleyball action pagkatapos itong conference na to, wag po. Dahil nakausap ko si Mr. Ricky Palu, na the President of Sports Vision, and si Mr. Moying Martelino, the Chairman of Shakey's Biligan. Sabi po nila sa akin, magkakaroon po tayo ng Asian Invitational Club Championships dito sa Manila on October 25 to 30. At ang mga kasama po dyan ay mga top club teams from Vietnam, Malaysia, Thailand, Indonesia, and of course, Syempre, ang Philippines ang magkakaroon ng representative. Ang magiging representative dito ay ang top women's club team. Kaya abangan nyo po yan. At dahil i-release pa lang namin kung sino yan very soon. Of course, lahat ng games ay magaganap dito sa Sinwan Arena and tickets will be sold in the
Kaya ka.
top club teams from Indonesia, Thailand, Malaysia, Vietnam, and of course, the Philippines.
Yan.
I-announce pa yan
So,
very soon.
club teams yan, ha? Hindi yan
Top
national
club
team,
teams.
ha?
No, not national team. Top club teams.
Wow. Salak.
Balser.
You cannot give her that. Nag-collapse talaga. Ang depensa doon.
So far, Philippine Army with 4 attack points, 1 block, and San Sebastian with 3 attack points
And
and
this-
a single block.
This is not something they're used to in this game. Sila yung lamang. Itong Philippine Army. The Mikasa MVA 300 is the new official game ball of the Shakey's V-League Season 8. More intense rallies and more thrills with the Mikasa MVA 300. Ang kulit sa Twitter ni Andre Mulla. Humihingi ng parang every point gusto niya may score update.
Total miscue on the side of the Philippine Army.
Andre Mulla, I don't know if you can hear me. Pumunta ka na nga dito. Daming updates na hinihingi.
Ikaw inupisahan mo kompletuhin mo na.
Si Theodore ang guluhin niya.
Tina Salak, 27 excellent sets. Ruby De Leon with 24.
There's the 28th one right there for King Balse. 10-7, Army. And now Tina Salak. Can you imagine a national team without Tina Salak? Hirap no?
Hindi, ang sarap talaga pag may ganyan kakalaking setter.
Right.
It's such an advantage.
Balse, great dig by Salgado. Boli, great dig by Reyes. The liberos are now earning their keep.
Bonag!
Benito is not a libero.
Crew!
Benito is not a libero.
It's actually a very low ball to use that defense. Look at
Wala na
Bunag,
magagawa si
pababa
Bunag
na
doon. 11-7 Army. Salgado, De Leon, Boli, impending doom. Pero parang panaka-naka na lang ang puntos dito ni Boli, ha?
Ito yung moment na kung saan mo gusto mag-pile up ng points.
Andiyan na si
When
Ford.
Ford and Boli is in front.
Set up now, Carolinos connecting. De Leon, Boli has to give up a free ball. And Michelle Carolino, saved there by Benito. Long
And last minute touch by Jen Reyes.
Jen Reyes parang napaso eh.
Oh, bakit ko ba may nakialaman yun?
Oo.
That could have gone in. Tama rin naman.
That's right. 11-9.
Balse and Bunag, 3 attack points each.
If it's one family pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Great serve there by Manzano. And De Leon has to attack. Reyes, parang ninja. Mayet. Benito. Boli, winning the joust. Salak. Carolino denied, but it'll go out.
Nakita mo yung tulak ni Nina Salak.
Oh, get out of my way, Mayet.
This is how you see yung mga veteran
But
setters
you
play.
can see that she's still very affected
And-
by that back injury, ah.
Oh, yung peripheral vision, ano? And, not 100% pa. Oh, but that's
yeah.
going to be too excited for the point.
Nakita ko, teka, alam ko na kung ano mangyayari. Point?
Actually, gusto niya nang bawiin eh. Dahil pagtalo niya, gusto niya nang bawiin kaya nandun na eh. Committed na eh.
Alam na niya, kesa naman paluin tayo ni Ford.
Ay, anti-commit.
Walang undo.
Oh, that's going to be wide for Zheng Boli throwing that serve away. 3-point lead for the Philippine Army.
And now Michelle Carolino with her long distance serve. Nakikita nyo na yung banner ng Shakey's. Alala ko si Luan Latigay. Parating free plugging ng hotline ng Shakey's. Back set ngayon. Gustilo, nice set. Benito to adlib.
That's right, using the left hand, swiping it. Seen once again.
Ganda na sana kung kaliwete lang si Benito. She had to use her left hand.